sentinels are watching.
Let them watch. We have nothing to hide yet.
Something's wrong with the heart. Then we have to find out why.
They're everywhere!
Keep moving! This way! We can't stop now!
What is this place? The oldest part of the city. Its memory. The air feels strange.
It's the calm before something big. Stay close. Follow my lead.
The shield will hold. Keep running.
They're still behind us. They're close.
We can reach the heart if we move now. Then let's finish this.
Protect the heart. Stay strong.
We can do this together.
The balance is breaking.
It's changing.
How do we fix it?
We'll be all right. I will return.
That glows. Courage lives on.